The family tradition of helping others during the holidays extends nearly 70 years to the Five family. They're entering their 68th year collecting donations for the Salvation Army. Merrill Five started bell ringing back in 1956. He died later that year. However, his family is continuing his tradition of raising money for those less fortunate. So far, the family has helped raise nearly $1 million in the almost 70 years of their service. Their goal this year is to raise $150,000. Merrill's granddaughter says helping is something that has been passed down through generations.
He really wanted to help those in need, and that's the values he instilled in my parents, and then my parents instilled those values in us. So we're just very blessed to have a family that's our tradition and what we value.
And fun fact, the bell they use is not just any bell. It is dating back to the late 1890s.